Day 7. I know we don't know the results yet, but you were in the lead all day together with Rico.
Yeah, start fourth place, and I passed Rico and Simon and another guy with the quad, Guido. The second stage I kept on going, and I was really in good shape, so I was fast. Overall in 7 days, my riding was quite stable. I only had a few mistakes with, of course, the course, dropping the waypoint.
Yeah.
Lost in a canyon and things like that. Some stupid things, but
they all do, eh?
Yeah, everybody does.
Yeah, exactly. Well, good luck for tomorrow, and I hope to see you on the podium tomorrow.
Me too. Thank you.